Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the evil orphanage proper fix part 3 but to my iPad. So let's go. I wish someone can adopt us. Yeah. Okay, good. You wait guys. Wait guys. Bruh, I hate that noise. Bro. I'll just hit you. Yeah. Sing a happy song. Hey, can you adopt us? Wait, are you from the orphanage? Yes. Where's your parents? We don't have anything. We don't. After the orphanage, parents are gone. I feel so bad for you. You could stay with us. Wait, for real? Yes. Yay! Come on, let's go. I'll hold you. Let's go. Let me show you where's our house. Okay. Let me show you where I am. Okay, this is where I live. Yes, we live in a hotel. Wow, it looks so beautiful. So, this is the living room. Your beds are up there. But where are y'all going to sleep? Wait, I gotta show you something. Oh, couch is the bed. What? Oh my god, your house is so cool. Yeah, we bought a magic bed, so don't worry. So, let me show you where's the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and this is the bathroom. So this is it. Okay. And now it's time for bed. Come on, it's time to go to bed. Go to your beds. Okay. Okay, time to us go to bed. Wait, I actually have an idea. Sister, wake up! Wake up! Why did you wake me up? I really hate you so much. No, wait. We can go beat an orphanage. That's actually a good idea. Come on. We can hit them with our plushies. And my plushie is not a plushie, it's a toy. So we can kill them easy. Yeah, nice. Let's go. So guys, pretend they're walking. So they're walking. Wait, let me move this. Okay, now let's go. How many times do I have to escape jail? It was so boring. Incoming! Ow! That hurt. We don't kill you, we call the friend. Now, we are so angry at you. Now we're going to beat you up. No! Ah! Not so fast. Yellow kids, come. Okay. Yep. Punch you. Ow, that hurt. Don't call more people. Or we will call more people. More people, come on. We're going to give them feedback. Okay, coming. So angry at him. Shh. Ow, that's hurt. Don't call more people. We will. No, please, I beg you. I beg you. No, please. More people! We're gonna get them back up. Okay, coming. You're so angry at him. We have to give him backup. No. Wait, we're so sorry. There's no need to explain. Shh. Stop crying. Now we got you. Now you don't have to get us anymore. Wait, what are you doing? We are coming for you. Kids, y'all don't have to fight. Only big kids can get. No, wait! Okay, we're running away. I'm sorry. Yes, we did it. Let's go home. Thank you for helping us. Yes, no problem. Anytime. Okay, that was fun, but now let's go back to bed. The next morning. Kids, good morning. Morning, Daddy. I know y'all will be good. Come on. Y'all can sit, both of y'all can sit here. I want the red one. I want the green one. I'll just cook. I'll just go watch TV. Okay, here you go. Pretend I got it. Thank you. Wait. Guess what? Wait. What? We get to go to Sea Life. Sea Life! Yeah! Okay, come on. Let's go to Sea Life. Hi. Hi, welcome to Sea Ive. Please scan. Okay. Thank you. Okay, have a nice time in Sea Ive. Okay, come on. Wow, work. Okay, let's go somewhere else. We would like to give. Okay, bye-bye. Oh wait, let's go back to Sea Ive for 1 minute. Okay, let's go to the restaurant. Let's just relax and eat. Welcome to Quail, Gale, Crabs, Krabby Crab's restaurant. Yes, we are going to eat the dead crabs. Okay, we'll make it. Thank you. Then the chaos came because they're gonna have revenge on them. Now you're so gonna get it. Hey, put your hands up! I'm going to kill you. We're gonna have feedback with these 2 little ones. Okay, I'm gonna call now. The phone is there. Okay. Okay, 911, what's your emergency? The chaos has escaped and come to the Gale Krabby Crab's restaurant. They came to kill us and revenge on us. Okay, we're coming right now. How did they escape? Put your hands up at the police! Ah! Yes, the police is here. Put your hands up, it's the police. You're coming to jail. No, wait! We can explain. Keep the talk and noise. Let's go home. We can explain. Keep the talking. Come on. Let me close the door. Okay, come on. Sorry, guys. It was just my baby sister listening to songs. Come on, let's go. Come on, you're coming. Thank you for all watching. Don't listen to him. Hope you had a great time. And subscribe, guys. Bye.